Here's how you make a voice print. First, you're going to plug your guitar into the Soundscape. Then take your smartphone and place it on the table in front of you and make sure that the microphone is hanging off the edge a little bit. Optimum position for the microphone is about 6 to 8 inches away from the top of the guitar, aimed roughly at the 16th fret. It's important to note that you make sure that your guitar's volume is all the way up. The app is going to guide you through a few simple steps. First is tapping. Mute the strings with your left hand and firmly tap the bottom of the bridge, making sure to let it ring until the phone tells you to stop. Next, you're going to strum several chords in multiple positions, making sure to let the notes ring out. The next step is to slowly pick individual strings, making sure to let them ring out. And the final step is to play scales. Doesn't matter, it can be chromatically, from the low register of the guitar up to the top. After completing those steps, select Generate Voice Print. When it's done processing, you can then plug your Soundscape into an external speaker source and you can preview the voice print you've made by selecting on or select off to hear the pickup alone. And then you can save it as a preset.